Welcome to the Logic Pro X Masterclass. And today, I'm going to teach you everything you can possibly know about Logic Pro X. But first, let's start with a history lesson. Logic Pro X is a digital audio workstation, or DAW. Logic is widely used among music producers, composers, and audio engineers around the world. It was designed by Apple for the Mac operating system. If you're using a Windows or Linux computer, Logic Pro X will unfortunately not work for you. You will need to use a Mac operating system, which is great if you do have one, because Apple designed Logic Pro X and the hardware that is inside the Mac. So they really work wonderfully together. The first version of Logic was created in the early 1990s by a German software company called C-Lab. eMagic, which is another German company, acquired C-Lab in 1997 and continued to develop Logic. In 2002, Apple acquired eMagic, and thus Logic became part of the Apple family. Over the years, Apple added new features and improvements, making it one of the most powerful and versatile DAWs in the market. The latest version, Logic Pro X, was released in July 2013. It includes a variety of new features such as drummer, flex pitch, track stacks, and smart controls. With the introduction of Logic Pro X comes new enhancements such as redesigned interfaces and streamlined workflows, making it much easier for users to navigate and create music without the DAW getting in the way of your creativity. Logic Pro X continues to be one of the leading DAWs on the market, providing musicians and audio professionals with a robust set of tools for audio production, recording, and editing. The software version we will be using in this masterclass is Logic Pro X 10.7.7. This version was released on January 26, 2023, and it includes a variety of new features that we will be exploring throughout this masterclass. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the history of Logic Pro X. I really hope you're excited to begin this masterclass journey with me. I absolutely cannot wait to hear your music. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more great content. I'll see you in the next one.